Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You have the essentials ready: Azure CLI active and a backup of the Latch resource. First, identify the Latch resource name and its style payload in your repo or portal. Then, export the current configuration so you can revert if needed. Use as resource show or the portal's export function. Once located, open the style object, CSS, JSON, or ARM template, and make small edits to colors, spacing, or class names so you can test incrementally without breaking dependencies. Now you make the substantive changes. Update color tokens, font size, padding, and component class mappings so the Latch renders consistently across screens. Make sure to follow the component's theming rules. Some Latches accept theme variables rather than raw CSS. Validate syntax with a linter or use as deployment what if to preview impact. Commit to a feature branch and deploy to a non-production slot or test subscription so you can review behavior and fix layout regressions before touching production. Deploy the updated style through your chosen mechanism, ARM/bicep, ASCLI, or CI/CD pipeline, and immediately verify the Latch in the target environment. Check rendering, accessibility attributes, and responsive behavior on desktop and mobile. If something goes wrong, roll back to your backup or feature branch. Inspect browser console errors and network requests to find missing assets or misapplied classes. Make sure to enable verbose deployment logs and rerun the deployment after fixing problems so you.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.